Just in case you missed it, we'll be recapping the experience that Reeves Regional gave the public on November 2nd at their open house and tour. It's a $114 million, 140 square feet facility, and this is their story.
This is a day that we've been waiting for a very long time.
Since the very first hospital that appeared in Pecos in early 1900, things have grown and evolved for Reeves County Hospital District.
This facility will offer the community a modern, fully equipped healthcare center and for years to come. After 4 years of planning, meetings, and budget workshops, we have brought you the state-of-the-art medical facility to the citizens of Pecos and Southwest Texas area.
Last but certainly not least, to the current and future patients of Reeves Regional Health, this is your hospital. A healthcare institution would cease to exist without patients to minister to. As you take in the new sites today, remember, this facility is dedicated to your health promotion and recovery. We will continue to serve you with the utmost dignity and compassion that family deserves. We thank you for placing your trust in us and assure you of the excellent quality of care that will be continued in your new medical home at Reeves Regional Health Hospital. So with great joy on today's open house, I'm glad to be the first to tell you, welcome home.
Reeves Regional Health represents all the pieces that are important to this district. We are the same great people with existing and new added services, servicing this great community of Pecos, Texas, and our surrounding neighbors. Thank you for allowing us to care for you, and help me in applauding our new name, Reeves Regional Health.
For more information about the hospital's event, visit their website, reevesregional.com. I'm Daniel Alvarado for Reeves County, the most important place in Texas.